Hey, Beaverton Toyota, trying to model what it's like to have a heart for the community. Today we're in downtown Portland at Stone Soup, a great organization that distributes 300 or more meals to homeless and at-risk homeless a day, and we've provided them a shuttle vehicle during this difficult time to get these meals to people who are in need. So let's see what it's all about.
We approached Beaverton Toyota because I've been a customer of theirs for nearly 30 years. They're incredible. They always step up no matter what I've ever needed with any of my various cars. And they stepped up this time. They came out, they gave us a car for 3 months, and we've been able to support the men and women of Portland with 3 meals a day for 500 unhoused people. It's been amazing. We really appreciate you guys.